of my battery pack, so I'll just show you. There she is, there's the battery pack. Now, as you can see, I have a plug down here, yeah, the white one. I've put a relay in, so when we switch that on now, all the sockets come live in the van, and all it is a simple relay. It just switches over so that the power from the power pack goes a different way and comes through the sockets. So I've done that. Then I've put a wire, and you can see it plugged into the XT60, and that's from the solar. I also have another wire, the black one there, that plugs in exactly the same, and that comes from the battery charger. So I'll just show you what I've done. So here's the electrics. Now this here is the relay that I've put in. So the power from that goes through the relay and RCD and comes through the sockets on the van. So that's what I've done on that. So it's dead easy. You plug that in, you switch it on, all the sockets are working. That's great. And that was I followed David from Leisure Bit. I copied his video and it worked a treat. Fantastic, and credits to David there at Leisure Bit. Now the switch for the solar I'll show you is under the seat. What I've done is I've wired from the solar controller to the switch, and also this has got a solar controller built into it, so you have to come from the actual solar side rather than from the output side. So the input side is what you switch, and you switch it from the panels on the roof coming to this one or going to that one, because it won't work any other way. It's got to be the solar panel coming in, because that's a controller and that has a controller. So that's something you've got to bear in mind. Now when I'm on the go driving, we have this one, which is another XT60. Now that comes off that one. Now that one there, that's a battery conditioner. It was only £30 off eBay. I will put the links in the video. And what I do, I have a switch. I don't know whether you can see it down there. There's a switch there. That's a cut-off switch, and it's a breaker. It's a safety breaker. And what happens is, when I turn that on, it comes from your battery, your cab battery, and it powers that up. That then powers upgrades the voltage and the wattage, and that then powers into there 450 watts, as though it's solar power coming in. So it's a 1500 watt unit, 450 watts. It's going to take me, what, 3 hours there or thereabout from flat. Now it's never going to be flat, because I'll always have it switched on to top up when I need it. So underneath the seat here now, I have a switch there. Now that one I'm not using at the moment, but this one here, I can either switch it to the battery, or I can switch it to the van batteries, which is underneath there. So that switch, by switching it 1 to 1 or 2 to the other. From the battery conditioner, I have it coming through the RCD before it goes through the final cable into the charger. I think that's a lot safer, but it can be done. People have asked me, how did you do it? What I've proved is it can be done. It can charge while you're driving. You can put 450 watt through it. It can be charged from your solar on the roof just by putting a switch on, and it works great for me. It's an ALLPOWERS battery pack. I'm not going to give credit to the battery pack or go through the battery pack, because you can use any battery pack, I would imagine, to do the similar sort of thing. I bought the battery pack because of the size of it. It's a good size. I've got 1500 watt an hour coming out. It'll go up to a maximum of 4 kilowatts as a charge, as a surge, and it'll run 2,500 watts constant if you need to. So it does home electrics. I'm happy with that. I don't need electrics. We're on a campsite now and we've not got electrics because I can charge it up either via the solar because it's nice and warm, or via the battery as we're driving. So I just wanted to clear that up because I know there's a few people ask me. If you've got any comments, you want to know anything, or you want to know where the parts come from, etc., etc., just drop me a line and I'll try and answer them for you. But thanks for watching. Cheers then. Bye.